welcome to my channel Cozy Look Crochet. Today's project is making a spa headband. Um, I call it a spa because you can just wear it if when you are showering, when you're in spa, and it's with the cotton yarn, and it's very easy to wash, and uh, you can do it very fast. It's moss stitch style, and as you can see, I have made two. One is a little wider, this one is a little narrower, so it's up to you how you would like to make it. And the measurement is about 9 inches on this one. And we're gonna do one together. For this, the material you need is a cotton yarn. I'm using sugar and cream, and the weight is 4. The hook size is says 5 millimeter. It's 100% cotton, and this is my hook, and a pair of scissors you need, and that's all it is to it. So let's do this project together. Oh, I forgot to mention the headband. So I'm using this color that I have. It's it's not the exact same color, but we can use it. So let's do this one. Okay, to start, we're gonna need a slip knot. Okay, and make it small, the smallest. Okay, and bring your band and go inside the band and bring your slip knot inside the band. And here we're gonna just pull the yarn over and pull it through. And now we're gonna do, from inside this band, we're gonna make even numbers of single crochets. It depends on how wide you want it to be. I'm gonna make 12 single crochets. So you go from inside the band and move the yarn over and make one single crochet. This is 1, 2, and then move it closer together. 3, I did my 12. Now it's chain 1 and turn my work. Okay, on this very first one, not the one next to the hook, on this chain, we're gonna do half double crochet. This is half double, and the next one is slip stitch. This is muscle stitch, 1 half double, and next one slip stitch. Okay, let's do this one to the end and be back. At the end, I'm gonna do 1 turning chain, and this is counting as my slip stitch. So on the very first one in here, I'm gonna do half double crochet, and then slip stitch. Again, half double. So we continue this pattern until we get to the length, which my case is 19 inches. So I'm gonna do a few more rows and we'll show you. Just want to show you I did a few rows, and something that I want to mention here is if you are a beginner with the moss stitch, you should notice that these are part of the design, and you have to kind of look at your chains like this from the top and not to take this part of the yarn. So here I'm doing half double crochet on this one, and also on the previous row, whatever you had on previous row, you're gonna do the other one. Like in previous row, this was half double crochet. Now on this row, this is gonna be slip stitch. So this is the starting was slip stitch, now is half double crochet, and this one also is going to be slip stitch, where previous row was half double crochet. Okay, and look at your chains like this, and just go for as many rows as you needed. You need a measuring tape, of course, to measure 19 inches, or if you want it shorter or longer, I'll be back for the ending. Okay, I did my 19 inches and I'm ready to close it up. So I'm gonna, this is my last chain in here, and I'm gonna do one chain for turn and bring the other end close in here, and the rubber band is here. So I have 12 chains in here, not counting this one. 12 chains that I'm gonna do 12 single crochets. This is how we're gonna do it. So I have to bring my hook inside and bring the yarn over inside this ring, and just do one single crochet in here. And now, starting from chains in here, bring the yarn over inside the chain and pull it through. So I'm gonna show this one more chain. We're gonna go through the chain inside the ring and bring the yarn over, and yarn over again, go through 2 loops. Let's do another one. Bring the yarn over, go through 2 loops. So here we have it going through this ring. That's the only difference. 4 regular single crochet. Okay, so we're gonna do one by one for 12 chains. And I'm doing the last chain. Go. Okay, and this is it. I'm gonna cut the yarn and pull it through, and get your yarn needle and hide these 2 ends, and this is it. I'm gonna hide these 2. Okay, And that's it for this project. I hope you like it. Leave your comments for me. And if you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. And I will have more projects for the summertime, especially in the future. And thank you for watching.